guys, today I want to show you how to assemble the doors. So here we have this complement, and this is our door. So this is what we have in our pack. So we have two soft closing hinges and two normal ones. So this one go to the bottom, middle, and on top. So two into the middle, like this, middle, then one to the bottom and top side. So this is how must look like your door. Very important when you use the drill, just to set your drill with right torque. So when you drill, the screw must not overspin. So let's say 10, and then push. See, tight. On your feet and control with your hand, so you can be able to have total control of your door with your hand, and then position up. And then first center. Important is to set the torque. It's now attached to our frame. You can end with this tool. And this go to the bottom. The door is perfectly